I want to hear some intentions from the brothers. I want to hear some intentions. Otherwise, really, what have we done? We sat here, we heard a nice talk, we got a little bit emotional, then we walk outside and it's like nothing ever happened, eh? No, I want to hear some intentions. And let me tell you why I need to hear some intentions. Because what happens to us is, I'm sure every one of you is moved one way or another. Every one of you now is feeling maybe a little bit positive, and I want to make a move. But what tends to happen is now Shaitan is waiting for you outside. Oh, he's going to jump on you as soon as you walk out. Come. Did you get caught up with this big fat bloke and what he's saying? Come. Sit down and let me talk to you for a little bit. So we need to start making intentions. What sort of intentions? Realistic ones. Don't sit here and tell me, you know what, brother, as of today I'm going to start reading 30 pages of Quran every single day. Let me tell you now, you already failed. Sit down, relax. No, small and steady wins the race. Come up with a realistic target. I'd rather you tell me, you know what, I'm going to read half a page of Quran every day. It's simple, it's achievable, it's not a burden, and you can do it. It's realistic. You might tell me, brother, I don't know how to read Arabic. Then go learn. And the problem is with our intentions, we're not specific. I'll give you an example, and I always say this to the brothers. This is very important what I'm telling you. You need to make your intentions specific. You need to give it a time frame, and you also need to assign for yourself a penalty. You might be telling me, what do you mean a penalty? I'll give you an example. If I promise Allah tonight that, Ya Allah, as of this night I'm going to start reading half a page of Quran every day, and if for whatever reason I miss, because you will get busy one day, you will miss a day where you don't get to read your half a page. But now you need to apply your penalty, and your penalty needs to be a part of the promise and a part of the intention. That, Ya Allah, when the day comes that I do miss my half a page of Quran, I promise you the next day I'm going to make up for that half a page as a full page plus the half a page for that day. And I'm going to pay £10 or whatever, however much you think is a reasonable amount, and I'm going to pay £10 in charity. You know, when Shaitan sees you insisting and consistent on this, when the day comes that you are too busy and you can't read your half a page, trust me, Shaitan's going to pick up the mushaf, bring it to you and tell you, brother and sister, please read your half a page, because tomorrow you're going to cost me 2 pages and £10 in charity. So very quickly, I want someone to raise up his hand, and I don't care what your intention is, as long as it's a step forward, then wallahi this night has been successful. Who's ready to raise up his hand and tell me what his intention is, inshallah? Who's ready? From the young men. No one. I've wasted my time. I flew for 30 hours for no reason. What's your intention? To pray in the masjid more often. You need to be specific. Find a prayer that you know you can make, and a wa'ad, a genuine promise with Allah that, Ya Allah, I will not miss this salah in the masjid. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy. Who else? Yes, brother.
Learn to read Fajr properly.
Learn to read
Fajr properly.
Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to accept that for you. Who else, inshallah? Come on. Let's not be like everyone. Here we came, we sat down for the talk and we went home and it's like nothing ever happened. Yes, my brother. To wake yourself up, and these two for Fajr. Who are these two? Your boys. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make it easy for you, inshallah. Who else, inshallah? Come on. I want to hear some good things. Now, brother. You want to do what, sorry? You want to go over 2 ajza a day? That's big, man. That's 60 pages of Quran. Are you already strong in your Quran? Right, then usually for someone who's already strong, this is a realistic target. Ask Allah to accept. Who else? Now. Qiyam. You have to be specific. I promise. That, Ya Allah, at least 2 rak'at. And if you come home and it's very late and you're afraid I'm not going to wake up, then pray the 2 rak'at before you sleep. Yes? Who else? Who else, inshallah? What's wrong? Is everyone's scared? Are you afraid I'm going to launch the mic? Who else, inshallah? One more. Now. Just big to it, man. Now. What is it? Half a page? Half a page. Sincerely. Ask Allah to accept. Now, I think. Half a page of Quran from this day forward. Yeah? Intention.